We will see that the ink on the solution put on the tissue paper. It's called chromatography experiment. Thank you. That's it. Thanks for watching. We hope that you agree in our work. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Goodbye. Uwi na.
Pati ako sinama.
Hindi, tulungan niyo na ako.
Naman at dadaan.
Aalis ako na yun. Hey, video kayo, video kayo. Bilis, video mo. Yay! Panalo kami! Hindi, tara na. Napauwi.
Tingnan nyo na nga, sa kamay ko.
So, magdala ako ng food.
Kinuha ka?
Tingnan akong talay.
This is the alcohol.
Tingnan ko.
Tama na, Janelle.